Alright guys, this is the Singapore Polytechnic Aerohub, and just look at the aircraft, it's amazing right now. Let's go inside, Let's go inside. Oh, damn. Oh, this is a pilot. The pilot, yeah, cannot enter.
Sorry.
Oh. What's up guys, we're in an aircraft. Cabin lights. Down, map. Dim. Wing view. Compartment store, I think. Wait, I can't open this. No entry to restroom got me. Normal. And that should be all the small features in this aircraft. There will be more later on, which I will send to WhatsApp status soon. Peace out and yeah, continue watching later on. Now I'm at after F-16, the fighter jet, and yeah, just the control, the buttons, everything. Oh yeah, the number moves. And yeah. You feel that this space is small? Yeah, and the controls and you can try the controls, it's working. Just as the thing won't activate itself. And oh yeah, right, so we found the same models and let me just show you all the features and the aircraft models. This is Airbus A380. What kind of airline is this? What the hell? What kind of airline is this? This Singapore Airlines Airbus A340-500 variant, which has been retired years ago, followed by Boeing 747-8, then Concorde, then 9V FYFC. I don't know what aircraft is this, but I just know that this is from Singapore. Then we have the Singapore Airlines 787-10. This is the Boeing variant of the 787-8. And then we have the this type of Singapore Airlines Airbus A380 SG50. Ooh, that was the time when Singapore was 50 years old. The tail number is unknown. Okay, we have a toy, then we have another toy and trophies down. Another Singapore Airlines Airbus A380. Then we have Armwood. I don't know what kind of airline is this, but the plane is a 737-900 variant. Here we have the Airbus A350-900 XWB. Another two of the toys. Yeah, Boeing 737-900ER. Then I don't know what's this. Oh, there's a car. Yeah. Then Lego plane. Wait, do you know what plane is this? Do you know what plane is this? Guess one.
Don't know now.
Okay, never mind. That's toy.
Hawker HS
Hawker?
127.
Oh, Hawker. Oh yeah, there's something model here. Hawker HS. Okay, 125-700 AC 2016. This aircraft unknown. Then I think these are the fighter jets. Oh no, there's one unknown plane here, and yeah. And that should be all. I have the second one, which I'm going to show you in the next video. Okay, I think the second one is not really a passenger plane. As you can see, most of the models here all see fighter jet, all fighter jets. Yeah, and those type of small, I don't know how to call it, but I think, I don't know. Then yeah, standard fighter jet, then Cessna. Then we have aircraft wallpaper. No, aircraft clock. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna say. And that should be all. And here we have the Great Wall Airlines and trophy. Alright guys, we're back into this regional passenger jet, and I realized that there is a restroom inside which we are not allowed to go, as you can see by the instruction here. No entry to restroom, bro. And yeah, most of these features are just mostly repeated. And the smell inside is... What do you think about the smell?
I mean like it sounds like all the wooden shit or
Yeah, it's just
like those funny like those rattan bamboo ass.
yeah, and the window shades can be removed if it is can be good, I don't know how to say that because yeah, I can't show you the level 21 unfortunately, but let's just say this aircraft, I'll rate this aircraft how will you rate this aircraft as?
Like out of 10,
Yeah,
like a 7.
I'll rate this as 6.5 due to the smell. I just don't like the smell of this aircraft. So yeah. Alright guys, more videos coming soon, so stay tuned on WhatsApp.
Be careful, don't hit your head also. The inside, yes. Alright, yes.
Ooh, this space is much bigger than expected.
I think Singapore uses this helicopter for those hospital things.
Like let's say like in like
Open.
say Singapore is like rescuing all those like overseas countries, they would like the army force, they would take this plane.
This is the cockpit view which I can't enter.
Like whenever you got a hospital emergency, you want to go to the hospital quickly and then you're stranded in some island, I think this helicopter will bring you. Usually you see in the news.